Hey y'all, it's Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today we're working on this chunky knit ear warmer. You'll need 37 yards of Lion Brand's Wool Ease Thick and Quick or comparable number 6 super bulky weight yarn and 9mm US size 13 knitting needles. I'm going to use the long tail cast on. We only need to cast on about 10 stitches. You can use any cast on you're comfortable with. If you need to adjust the width of your ear warmer, you'll want to cast on an even number of stitches. Okay, after we've cast on, now we are going to knit our first stitch. And purl our second. And now we repeat that across. Knit one, purl one. We can identify our knits and purls here. The purls have the horizontal bar. So now when we turn for row 2, we are going to do the opposite of what we see. My first stitch I'm looking at is a knit, so I'm going to purl one. And then a second is a purl, so I'm going to knit it. So I'll continue repeating, purl one, knit one, purl one, knit one. So you're going to purl the knits and knit the purls. You can see where our purls are jumping around. They shouldn't be stacked. They're on top of knits. So now I'm going to repeat these 2 rows. Knit one, purl one across, and now I have a knit to start, so I will start with my purl one and a purl, so I knit one and keep repeating purl one, knit one. So keep repeating these 2 rows, always knitting the purls and purling the knits. For toddler size, you'll want it to be about 17 inches long. This gives us 2 inches of ease, negative ease. Child 18 inches long. For tween, small adult 19 inches long. And for medium or large adult about 20 inches long. Once you've reached your desired length, we're going to first bind off. We'll bind off in pattern. So in pattern here, I have a purl, so I would knit. So I'll knit one. And then I have a knit, so I will purl. Now I'll bind off, pulling the first stitch over the second, Pull that up a little bit so I make sure it's not too loose. Continue in pattern, knitting the purl and then binding off, purling the knit and then binding off. And in this way I will bind off across, always knitting or purling what would normally come next. At the end, on my last stitch, I'll pull up a long loop and I'll leave a long tail for seaming. Okay, so now I will fold my earwarmer in half, matching up the short ends. Then fold in half again so that you have 4 layers to stitch through. Thread my yarn needle and begin sewing those 4 layers together. Make it a cinched earwarmer. Using the whip stitch, we're going up and over, just making sure to catch all 4 layers. After you've caught all 4 layers, then you turn it right side out and you have a nice little cinched look. And then we'll weave away our ends and your earwarmer is all ready to go.